How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the cut function in Prusa Slicer. So we have this model right here that we are going to use as an example. And basically, if you want to use the cut function, you want to click on this specific icon right here, or you can also press C on your keyboard, which will then take us to the cut function. Now you can use these different controls in order to adjust your cut. Of course, you can also navigate manually through the cut position Z and Y in order for you to simply modify this. So in our case, I'm going to be cutting it onto its center. And now to apply your cut, just click on the perform cut option, and then it will split the objects in two. If you want to cut it into parts, you want to click on the parts option. But in my case, I'm just going to split them both. And then here we have it. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.